Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is one of my favorite chicken dishes, which is known as chicken Cafreal. Chicken Cafreal was originated in the Goan cuisine by the Portuguese. Chicken Cafreal is widely available in most of the Goan restaurants and it is a very popular dish. So let's get started. All you need is 2 bunches of fresh coriander, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I have used malt vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 40 grams of ginger, 40 grams of garlic, or maybe say 8 cloves of garlic or 10 small, 2 inches of cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 green chilies, 4 cardamoms, 15 to 20 black peppercorns, and 12 cloves. I have come up with an idea today is to use a traditional way of grinding this masala using a traditional stone, which I've seen my grandmother and my mom use a very long time back. So I'm just gonna try it using this method, or all you can do is use the mixer grinder to prepare this masala, but I just wanted to give it a try. Start with grinding the fresh coriander. Add in the 5 green chilies and grind them along with the coriander. Now add in your cloves along with the 2 inches of ginger. Grind it along with the ingredients onto the stone. This part can be a bit difficult, so just try and smash the garlic cloves into smaller components and grind it well along with the coriander and the chili paste. Add in the smashed ginger paste and grind it along with the other wet ingredients so that you can get a nice and thick paste. Now add in the cumin seeds along with the cinnamon stick, the cloves, black peppercorns, and 4 cardamoms. Grind them along with the other wet ingredients. Just break them up into small components. Now collect the ingredients back into the start position and start grinding them until get a fine paste. I did not know that grinding this paste would be so difficult, but worth a try. Now this mixture will be much easier to grind as it has been broken up into smaller components before. When I said to my mom I want to try the traditional way of grinding this masala, she said, okay, it might be a bit of a challenge but worth a try. So yes, I would say definitely this is the most hardest masala I've ever ground in my life, but worth a try. as it looks easy, but this was the way in the medieval times when our ancestors, our grandparents used to grind using the traditional stones, as there were no electronic gadgets. But yes, it was much more healthier, and then it would be a bit of a exercise for your hands as well, so why not? Make sure you put in all the effort. As you can see, it requires a bit of a bit of an extra effort to do this, because to grind it this way it requires a lot of patience, as well as it has to be so fine, same way as you get it in a mixer or a grinder. It has to be really fine, so make sure there is no leftovers of any bits in it. Like you can see, I'm struggling a bit, but then yes, it was my choice of trying it, so yes. How great! At last I'm coming to my last bit of the grinding process, and I'm so happy that at last got to the end of the session of grinding the masala. Collect all of the masala into a bowl to add in the dry ingredients. So start with turmeric powder, half of the vinegar, along with it the salt and the sugar, and mix it well. Now add in the remaining vinegar and incorporate the masala really well. Now take in your 1 medium chicken, which is washed and drained completely, so there is no water at all, and add in some salt, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and mix well. Now add in the masala paste little by little, mixing well between additions. This masala has to be completely used, as it is for 1 medium chicken, so make sure the chicken gets all the masala, so marinate it really well, fill in all the gaps. I have spatched the chicken pieces so that the masala gets well absorbed and it will be much easier to cook it. Add in the 1 tablespoon of oil and give it a quick mix. Clean the sides of the bowl, as we have to keep this covered and marinated for about 5 to 6 hours before frying. Take a frying pan and turn it on to a medium flame. Add in some oil and let the oil heat up for a while. Quickly mix the marinated chicken pieces and add it into the frying pan. Cook the chicken on a low-medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes or longer, depending on the time it takes to cook the chicken. Flip it onto the other side and continue the same process until the chicken Cafreal is ready. As you can see, our chicken pieces are nicely cooked and ready. The next step is to garnish and serve it. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share your views, and hit the subscribe button to keep you posted on my upcoming recipes.